Hello DXTECH viewers and global followers, welcome back to our press brake factory. In this edition today, I'm going to showcase you our fully CNC electric bending machine. And the total tonnage of this machine is only 40 tons, and the total length of the workbench is only 1 meter long. In particularly bending the small length workpiece in some certain industry like aerospace. Now I'm going to introduce the main configurations of this machine. As you can see, the quick calipers, which makes it much easier to change the punching knife at the up mode, and also it's segmented already to bending different lengths of the small workpiece. Compared with the traditional hydraulic bending machine, it has several relative advantages. First of all, it saves energy because it's fully running by the electricity, servo motor, and the ball screw. So compared with the hydraulic bending machine, the electricity consumption is less than 50%. Also because it's fully running by the servo motor and also the ball screw only, without any hydraulic oil involved. So there's no risk for oil contamination. So it's much easier to maintain. And also the bending precision and efficiency is more than 2 times compared with the hydraulic bending machine. As I said from the beginning, the maintaining cost of this all-electric bending machine is much less compared with the traditional hydraulic bending machine. There's only need to regularly change the lubrication oil for the guardrail of the back gauge. There's no any hydraulic oil involved for the maintenance or replacement. Also, there are not so many complex things like the gearbox and also the hydraulic valve assembly. So this is another very big advantage. Another thing I want to mention in particular is that all of the electric CNC bending machine is relatively with a small dimension, as you can see. So the shipping cost to any country from China is relatively small compared with the big size hydraulic bending machine. Also, you can see the independent electronic box is integrated together with the machine. So that's another advantage. Also, all of our electric bending machine together with other models are always CE European certificate and American FDA certificate. And also the ball screw is used from Germany MDSK, and the bearing is used from Germany INA brand. So the quality can be guaranteed. This is another advantage for buying this kind of electric bending machine. Finally, I want to say almost all the CNC electric bending machine, the control system are 4-axis without the grounding system for the deflection compensation value, because the total bending length is relatively short. So there's no need to compromise the bending pressure between the center and the 2 sides. And also I want to say, if you are looking for a high bending precision and efficiency CNC bending machine, don't hesitate to contact us for DXTECH team, and we'll be there in the first place to answer all of your questions. Stay tuned. I will see you very soon in the next video.